Today, when we meet here, I think we should reflect that every single action of ours we should ponder 1,000 times before we embark on any step. Because one way or the other, whatever we do impacts society, whether positively or negatively.
So these are the craft bagi la'alek magi with those project coordinators bagi arts and crafts.
So at this point of time, it is with great pleasure that I also launch this ambulance with the hope and prayer that it will be of immense service to the distressed. At most times, we talk in terms of sympathy for those who are less fortunate, less privileged, less gifted than us. But there is a saying that when a person grows in life, he moves beyond sympathy to empathy. There is a huge difference between the meanings of these two words. When you sympathize with someone, you look at that person as an outsider. When you empathize, you internalize the experience of that person. Internalize how would you be if you were in his place, and then you would understand another person better.